2018 Ford F-150. The verdict: the 2018 F-150 improves in all the right areas to make it future-proof for a few more years. Versus the competition, while currently a favorite, the F-150 will likely face stiff competition from upcoming Chevrolet Silverado and Ram redesigns. The 2018 Ford F-150 is preparing for an assault from its fiercest rivals, the soon-to-be-redesigned Chevrolet Silverado and Ram 1500. Somewhat out of cycle from its competitors, the F-150 was last fully redesigned for 2015, when it got an aluminum body and steel frame and became one of the most civilized and high-tech trucks around. It also got some unique features, such as adaptive cruise control and a forward collision warning system with automatic braking, that other trucks lack. Will the F-150 instantly be outdated as soon as there's a new Silverado and Ram? Doubtful, given its updates for 2018. For 2018, the F-150 gets more power, more torque, more gears and more MPG to better compete with a crop of new trucks on its way, trucks that have undoubtedly benchmarked the impressive F-150. Despite not accelerating as fast as the 6.2-liter powered Chevrolet or GMC trucks in our previous testing, the F-150 still takes the crown for drivability. For this review, I drove a 2018 F-150 Platinum, the second most expensive trim level, with the updated 5.0-liter V8 and its new 10-speed automatic transmission. You can read about the full engine lineup, including a new base 3.3-liter V6, in our first drive of the 2018 Ford F-150. Half-ton truck shoppers are no doubt familiar with sticker shock, so we'll just mention our test truck's $63,800 price tag and move right along. Updated 5.0-liter V8. The 5.0-liter V8 isn't the flashiest engine in the F-150 lineup. The 2.7-liter and 3.5-liter turbocharged EcoBoost V6s get that nod. In previous years, the V8 felt more like a courtesy engine for die-hard V8 truck buyers. Why? Because it was matched in our acceleration and towing tests by the less expensive turbo 2.7-liter, and it was easily outperformed by the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. For 2018, the 5.0-liter gains a new fuel injection system with both poured and direct fuel injection for 10 more horsepower and 13 more pounds-feet of torque, up to 395 HP and 400 pounds-feet. That extra power and torque, teamed with the 10 speeds added gears, make the 2018 5.0-liter a more compelling engine option for die-hard V8 buyers. Though if you're looking for my recommended engine, the turbo 2.7-liter V6 is the jack of all trades that no one should be ashamed to buy, even if it's missing a few cylinders. But if you must have a V8, the 2018 F-150S is better than before. 10-speed transmission is transformative. The secret to the V8's improvements is primarily the new 10-speed automatic transmission, which uncorks more of the 5.0-liter's potential. The previous F-150 5.0-liter came with only 6 gears, which didn't do the high-revving V8 any favors. It took too long to get the engine into its power-making range. The 10-speed's aggressive gearing gives the engine many more options,